Guys, I have a first grader. Like, I have a first grader. What is this? Alright, guys. So, yeah. Like, I'm just here thinking today that I have a big kid now. Like, Amari is in grade one. Amari is in primary school. Like, he was just a baby the other day. Like, he was just a baby. Where the time go? And I'm like, girl soon 30. Girl soon 30. And I'm like, time of fly, yo. Like, and then he's growing up so fast. And he's doing big kid stuff. And I'm like, I can't call him our baby. Like, I cannot call him baby unless it's like me and him alone. Like, call him baby. Don't do that. First day of school. I take this little guy to school, you know. First day, daddy dog, going to class with him. So anyways, I am there fixing up brother and a lot of seats, you know, the works. So he's there looking upset. So I'm like, what's wrong? Amari, what to you? And he's like, what? So I'm gonna see your face look upset or sad. What's wrong? Something wrong to you? How you feeling? Amari's like, see me with the Anthony jaw. Sanine, look at everybody else. Do you see everybody smiling and laughing? People not going to be smiling and laughing all the time, but that doesn't mean that they're sad or upset. People just can't be laughing all the time. So I'm like, I'm sorry. I proceed, sir. Proceed. I am sorry. Like, what? But I'm like, all right. So I'm like, okay, that's fine. You know, things it. Tell me why again. Next day, boy, gonna school. So I'm bringing him into the schoolyard. Not in the class this time or anything. There's a car passing. Well, I'm gonna wait till it don't make nice on my head. And he's taking so long to move. Go. Yeah. So as I was saying, next day I bring little man go school, right? And yeah. So I'm bringing him to the schoolyard and him shirt that I come out and pants. So, like the mother that I am, may I fix this brother clothes? Brother look fixed. So I'm like, Amari, why you look so upset? What's wrong? He's like, Amari's like, I don't want people to think I'm a baby. So I said, what do you mean people think you're a baby? I have a meeting starting in 10 minutes. What do you mean people make you feel like a baby? With what? I am fixing up his clothes. I'm like, you can fix your clothes yourself? Him say yes. I say, okay, fine. And him fix up him pants and sing himself. So I say, okay, I need to step back and stop hovering him like he's a baby. So I'm like, okay, all right then, that's fine. You know, my boy I get big, you know, mommy I fix him up on road and them something no more, you know. But our independence and them way they cool. Anyways, today now bring Serga school again. So I gave him something to eat in the morning and him never eat it off. So by the time we get to another town now and him start, you know, him belly hurt him. So I say, you know, say hungry because you never eat off all your something or whatever. And now when I day for me stop and get you nothing substantial for eat now because whatever. So I must say, alright, whatever, him not think I'm hungry, him food never settle. So that's why him belly hurt him, but him don't hungry, him not hungry. So I'm gonna say, okay, fine. Anyways, my girl ever give boy fruits, right? So him have an apple in him bag. Anyways, reach a school early, right? So I say, alright, like how you there, so no, cause me think I hungry, you hungry. So I say, alright, eat the apple until a time for you going on the compound. Him say, alright. And me no bother fix him up this morning, and I make him fix him thing himself and do him thing himself. Cause me no want brother tell me say me make him feel like a baby. Right? So I say, cool, date. Give the young man the apple, young man eat the apple. By the time you start eat the apple now, the principal come and the principal is like, okay guys, line up here, grade 1 here, grade 2 there, blah blah blah, whatever. So I say, come get at the line. But we've been in the line for a minute, right? So I say, alright, you can continue eating the apple until you go through the gate. Like, just eat off the apple. Youngsters like, no, the body in a line, I say, my baby and I eat. Right? They say in the line. So him just make the apple stay until lunchtime. He finish eating apple. And whatever I'm not eating apple no in a line. And brother just go in them line. And brother just go stand up, then bag pan him back and just no ramping, no guan, no nothing, brother just stand up in a line. So I wait pan thing for go round and him just follow him line nice and decent and go round, going to him thing, and I'm like, I have a big kid now. Like, I have a big kid now that he's telling me he doesn't want to be considered a baby. Like, I cannot carry Amari in my lap when we're going taxis and stuff. Like, no, that's a baby, something. Me have to pay for seat for Amari because sir, no one nobody carry him in their lap. So I'm like, alright, so yeah. So I don't know what's gonna happen when I pick him up today. What kind of stories he's gonna tell me. But so far, he has been liking big school. Like, the first day he said he was lonely because he didn't have any friends. The next day him come and he said, oh, I make 2 friends. So I'm like, what them name? I don't know. So I said, how do you find out somebody's name? He said, by asking. So I said, yeah, then you need to go and ask them the name. You can't have friends and don't know their names. So yeah, school is going good. Now it's just the first week and whatever. And just praying that it continues, praying that this is a good school for him, like the environment and whatever. I love the teacher already. It's somebody that taught one of my sisters, and she's good. She's a good teacher. She's not only good at teaching but good at being a teacher. But yeah, so I just hope that this environment like really helps him to grow. Like, there are some schools or some teachers or whatever that they make the children so afraid and so insecure that they don't speak up. And I hope that this is not the case. And, it's just a really good fit for him. Yeah. But I'm just doing this video because I have a big kid now. Like, I have a big kid. Like, a big kid now, guys. But yeah, and it's just funny how time flies, like, and then he's so observant and so thoughtful, and bro, and then he's so stubborn. Stubborn, Mari, and if I argue with you about everything. Like, I cannot say, Amari, take up that bottle off the ground. First of all, I'm going to tell him put it back up on the ground. And then I'm going to ask why him have to take it up, or why whosoever put it there can't take it up, or why him have to do everything. Like, him argue with me. Like, not cuss argue, but he's going to ask me why. Why should he take it up? He's going to do it, but him just like ask me why. And don't rush him. Brother, I go vex if you try to rush him. Like, don't rush him. And I'm like, but yeah. And now Johnny is soon too. Guys, like, Johnny is a year and 6 months now. Hear the trick. Hear the train. anyways, guys, I have two big kids now. I have a big kid, and I have a full-fledged toddler now. Yep. Jenny is the sweetest kid. Like, I love her, but she's so expressive. Like, Jenny is very expressive. Like, and she's so freaking smart. Like, right now, if you ask Jenny what's her name, she can't tell you what's her name. Legit. Like, and then she's so cheeky. Jenny is so cheeky, guys. Like, I'm gonna have to do a whole different video on Jenny. But I got two big kids now. Yeah. Anyways, I have a meeting in 4 minutes. So catch you guys on the next video. Bye, kids.